Git pull versus git fetch. Stay synced, stay safe. Command. Git pull hash fetches and merges changes from the remote repository. Git fetch hash only fetches metadata, references, and objects from the remote repository. Real-time use. Before you begin your daily work on the automation framework, or when interacting with the CI/CD pipeline, it's crucial to ensure your local repository is synchronized with the remote. Using git pull allows you to fetch and integrate the latest changes from the central repository, ensuring you're always working with the most current version of the code. Best practices. Do. Make it a daily habit to git pull at the start of your workday or before starting any significant new task. This helps you stay updated with team changes and minimizes the chances of significant merge conflicts later. Don't. Never git pull if you have uncommitted changes in your local working directory that you want to preserve. Pulling with uncommitted changes can lead to unexpected conflicts or even loss of your work. Always git stash your changes first. Tip. If you have local uncommitted changes but need to git pull to get the latest updates, follow this sequence. Interview questions. Interview Q1. Q. What's the difference between git pull and git fetch in automation pipelines? A. Git pull is a combination of git fetch and git merge. It fetches the latest changes from the remote repository and then automatically merges them into your current local branch. Git fetch, on the other hand, only downloads the latest changes, metadata, and objects from the remote repository to your local repository, but it does not automatically merge them into your working branch. Git fetch is generally considered safer for manual inspection because it allows you to review the changes before integrating them, which is particularly useful in automation pipelines, where you might want to inspect changes before a build or deployment. Interview Q2. Q. What do you do when a pull creates a conflict? A. When a git pull creates a conflict, I first identify the conflict markers, e.g., less than, 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 equals, 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 greater than, 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 in the affected files. I then manually edit the files to resolve the conflicting sections, choosing which changes to keep or integrating both appropriately. After resolving all conflicts, I git add the resolved files, and then create a new git commit to finalize the merge. Finally, I would run all relevant tests to ensure that the conflict resolution hasn't introduced any regressions before pushing the changes.